Coming fault p0522, engine oil pressure sensor. Chrysler, town and country. And to fix that fault you must open bonnet, and from this side this sensor is this cable with 3 pins. Connector, you can see this sensor. Change this sensor and no more problem. In diesel engine is from down, you must lift up car, and in oil filter housing is one sensor, so it's same. Or if it's oil lamp is blinking, or it's coming fault like low oil pressure on display, is also we must change this oil pressure sensor. It's old one and bad one. Part number is like this. Like this tool, if you use, it's possible to do without taking out intake manifold. 27 long, and you open and you screw new one. Finish.